Hello, my name is Taylor Lapidus. I am with the Precision Team, Keller Williams Arizona Realty. Thank you very much for checking out our blog. Today we're going to talk about earnest money deposits as they pertain to short sale transactions. Typically, as per the standard short sale addendum provided by the Arizona Department of Realty, the earnest money deposit is not deposited until the seller receives acceptance from their bank, from their lender, for the short sale. So you submit an offer on a short sale, it's received by the seller actually signs the offer and submits it to the bank. When they sign that offer, that is thereby a binding contract. Now that contract is totally contingent on the bank approval of the short sale. Who knows how long it's going to take for that bank to give a response? Typically they say 60 to 90 days before you'll hear back from the seller's lender. During that time, most buyers are still looking at properties, submitting additional offers, because in the standard short sale addendum, at the very bottom, on page 1, it states the buyer may withdraw their offer at any time, for any reason. So you can see how the buyers could plant a lot of seeds, because you just don't know how long it's going to take before you hear back from these sellers. You may find other things hitting the market. The buyers may want to just keep looking. Well, this creates a situation where once the sellers receive an acceptance from their bank, often the buyers are no longer there, or they haven't even told them that they're not there, but they've just moved on. So when the buyer gets contacted, they say, oh yeah, no, you know what, we decided to do something else. Well, the seller now is in a tough spot. The bank has come back and said they'll accept it, but they come back accepting it with certain timelines in place. So what are sellers starting to do? Well, if you're working with a listing agent that knows short sales and that is very confident in them and works them well, most of them are requiring that the buyers actually put their earnest money deposit down at the time that the seller accepts the offer to submit it to the bank. During that time, they put in the contract some sort of language saying the buyers agree that they'll leave the earnest money in place and will not take it back for 60 days or 90 days or whatever is agreed upon through negotiations. Sellers will submit that buyer's offer and only that buyer's offer. Even if they get offers that are worth more, that have better terms or conditions, they're locking themselves in with that buyer. That's the benefit to the buyer. They can't get beat out during this process. They are at the front position, their first position. Once the bank comes back, they're only going to look at that offer, and if the bank likes it, they're going to move forward, even if there's better offers waiting in the wings. The bank won't know about those. From the buyer's point of view, while it does tie them up with this one property, they get those benefits. The seller also knows that the buyer is in for the long haul. Everything's negotiable. Make sure you're reading these contracts and make sure you understand what you're signing. Ask your realtor if you have any questions about what the earnest money means or what the pros or cons are about putting it down at either the start of the short sale procedure, when you first submit the offer, or waiting until you have bank approval. My name is Taylor Lapidus. You're watching the blog by the Precision Team. Thank you very much for your time, and have a fantastic day.